class. My name is Ederlyn Angara. Can you please stand up?
No, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please down.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. My topic is about types of adjectives. Indefinite articles and compound adjectives.
Yes.
So, learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, the student will be able to define indefinite articles and compound adjectives. Compare and contrast the indefinite articles and compound adjectives. Compose a song using an indefinite adjectives and compound adjectives. So, let's explore.
Yes, Dora.
Activity 1, jumble letter. Miss
Ma'am.
Okay, sige, ikaw. Direction.
Arrange the jumbled letters to form the words. Use the clues provided to answer this activity. Write your answer on the blank. Number 1. Use a describing noun in a non-specific way and definite.
Number 2, Miss Cherry. Are actually adjectives because they describe the nouns that they precede articles. Okay, number 3, Miss John. Made up of multiple individual words, compound. Okay, so,
Ang correct po.
yes. Number 4, words that modifies noun or
Adjectives.
Adjective. Okay, very good. Other words that you form are related to our lesson. These are also type of adjectives, the indefinite articles and the compound adjective. So let's find out how does each type of adjective in this lesson differ from each other. Types of adjectives. Miss John, please read.
Indefinite adjective. Used to describe a non-specific way. In other words, it modifies nouns to give information about it that are not specific or unspecific. Indefinite adjectives also modifies pronouns and function the same as the nouns. It is usually classified as quantifiers, which is a type of determinant in English grammar.
Below are more example lists of indefinite adjectives. Please read.
Few, many, each, plenty, more, much, all, none, some, several, any, anyone, everybody, something, someone, anything.
Okay, examples. Number 1, Miss John, please read.
Only a few students have performed well in the exam. Then the indefinite adjective is few.
Very good, Miss Cherry. Many of them started using social media to connect with their friends and families. Many is an indefinite adjective.
Each participant got on a white in the competition.
You should drink plenty of water every day for a good health. So, what's
Plenty.
Okay.
Much.
The question paper that leaked in several institutions. What is the indefinite?
Several.
Okay. Number 2, Miss Cherry. Please read.
Articles adjective. Articles are actually adjectives because they describe the nouns that they precede. In English, there are only 3 articles. The, a, and an. However, the 3 are not interchangeable. Rather, they are used in specific instances. A, and, the. They precede the nouns and are used in undefined expressions using a, and. A, and is used with countable singular nouns. Those whose letter have a tag at the beginning of the word and nouns that begin with a vowel that will have an tag at the beginning of the word. An is usually used when expressing whether adjectives. We cannot use countable singular nouns alone. Examples: I saw an accident of a car.
Okay. Miss Ilagan, go on.
I saw an accident of a car.
Number 2.
I need a kilogram of salt. She asked an easy question. Yesterday, I bought a blouse, a skirt. The blouse was surprisingly cheap but the skirt was more expensive. Number 5, I am an English teacher.
Using the. If we are talking about a specific object, the is used countable, singular, or plural and can be used with all uncountable nouns. If we are talking about an unknown object or person, but it is specified, the is used. Example. Mystery.
I was born in the West. Yesterday, I bought a
Why you're laughing? What's funny? Yes, what's funny, man? Continue.
The blouse was surprisingly cheap, but the skirt was more expensive. The movie is perfect. I will stay at home at the weekend. I bought an orange from the market.
Okay. Miss Ilagan Joan, this read compound adjective.
Compound adjective is an adjective that is made up of multiple individual words. Usually, the words are connected by a hyphen word that it only uses grasping.
Let's try. Activity 2. Miss Joan, pakibasa. Direction.
Insert the correct answer. Number 1. Each participant got an award in the competition, which is an indefinite adjective. Letter C. Each.
Okay, thank you. Miss Cherry, number 2.
This is a 4-foot table which is compound adjectives. 4-foot. Letter B.
I am an English teacher, which is an analytical adjective. C. An.
Okay, very good. Spanish speaking is an example of compound adjectives.
Yes.
Okay. And is the 3 examples of an article adjective.
Yes.
Okay. What's more? Activity 3. Direction. Copy the adjective used in the sentence and identify types of adjective it is. Number 1. Miss.
Daniela is a part-time worker.
What is types of adjective?
Compound. Compound. Compound.
Okay. Number 2. Miss John.
You have to be open-minded about things. The types of adjectives, compound, and the sentence open-minded.
Miss Cherry. Number 3.
I like most people at the party. Most indefinite. Definite ko.
Number 1. Alec is training to be an engineer. An article. Okay, what have you learned? Direction. Using the chart below, compare and contrast each type of adjectives.
What have you learned?
Miss Terry, what have you learned? Indefinite articles.
I have learned that in the indefinite, it's like a quantitative. It's like a numerical number. Uses of numbers like most, few, little. In articles, there are 3 examples of articles: the, an, and the. And in compound, we actually use the hyphen to make 2 words to combine.
Very good. Indefinite, describe a noun in a non-specific way. In other words, it modifies noun to give information about it that are not specific. Articles, actually adjective because they describe the nouns that they see. In English, there are only 3 articles. The, and an. However, the 3 are not interchangeable, rather they are used in specific sentence. Compound adjectives made up of multiple individual words. Usually, the words are connected by a hyphen or hyphens when used as an adjective. Assessment. Miss John.
Compose any kinds of song that uses an indefinite. on articles and compound adjectives. So you can search through internet to get ideas, but remember to use the types of adjectives in composed.
Assignment na lang.
Okay po, ma'am.
Okay po, ma'am.
That's all. Thank you. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, Ma'am Angara. Goodbye, classmate. See you again tomorrow.
Okay.